Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or enable cross-faded songs and playlists on Spotify for smoother transitions between songs. And this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is sign into Spotify and select your user icon up at the top left. Go down and select the settings and privacy button. And then you want to go underneath playback and select that. And where it says crossfade, adjust the length of fading and overlap in between tracks. You can adjust it between 0 and 12 seconds by dragging the scroll bar to the left or right. And that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.